What's up? What's up? What's up? Good morning. It's Sunday morning. Uh, so this is week four of my TraderVue report. Week four, and there it is. There it is. You can see it. Um, I made $1,570.14 for the week, but I made a few mistakes, so I couldn't finish the month green. I am $998.04 for the month. To crawl that big loss last week, it was really tough to try to get back, but I managed to get some of it back, So I'm okay with that. But as you can see, Monday on the 23rd, I made $1,000. Tuesday, I lost $157. Wednesday, up over 1,000. Thursday, 500, and Friday, up 156. It was a tough week. The week before that was even more tougher, right? Because I only had 4 days, so it was hard to. If there was any mistakes, it's hard to crawl out. I think somewhat, but as I check my metrics, you kind of understand what's the things I'm doing wrong, what's the things I'm doing right, and it's I'm starting to see the holes in the balloon. I'm starting to see the mistakes, and I need to fix them. So to go over this week four and the total monthly recap, let's go to details. So we go to details, and there it is. It shows my accuracy, my percentage accuracy. My winning percentage is that I'm 60.2%. That's my accuracy for the month of February so far, which is good. Which is good. Those are good numbers to have. And I'll show you in detail where the mistakes I need to work on. But that's not good. I mean, that is good. 60%, 60.2% for accuracy. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. I noticed too that when I look over here where it says holding my winning trades is 31 minutes. That's a long time. And holding my losing trades, that's over an hour. That right there is praying, wishing, and dreaming and hoping. That right there is, and that's just horrible. 1 hour, man. Because this is the belief that I have is that they say go with the trend, follow the trend, and sometimes these trends they do take an hour to 2 hours, and if it goes against you, I figure well it's going to reverse and I can probably make my way out of it. Sometimes it does happen, sometimes it doesn't, but it's a tough call sometimes, So that's what it is right there. My winning percentage accuracy. That's my accuracy. My accuracy is 60.2%, and my losing 39.8%, which I'm okay with. I'm okay with that. So as we go down to performance of the day, you can see Mondays and Fridays are good, but that big loss 2 weeks ago is really hurting me. Really hurting me. Really hurting me. This metric here, I don't just because that one big loss kind of screws it all up, So, but that's for the week. But then I started looking at this is the part where I started looking at it, where it says performance by the day, and this is the big loss I had that last week. The last week of the last, not last week, the week before. I noticed that I'm at 9 o'clock, 9:30 in the morning. That 1 hour, I'm up. I'm up. But the problem is that I don't close it down because I told myself, well, $400 ain't enough. $500 ain't enough. I'm trying to make a daily goal of $1,000. So I'm like, well, $500. That's not. But then you think about it, $500 a day for 1 week is $2,500 a week. That's good money. $2,500 a week. That beats most jobs, most regular jobs. So I don't get this idea where in my head I tell myself that $500 is not good enough. And that's what happens. And that's what majority of the time. You see that boom, that first hour, profitable, slammed it, slayed it, whatever you want to call it. I done it. But then I tell myself, $500 ain't enough. $600 ain't enough. $400 ain't enough. $700 ain't enough. I need to go for 1,000. I need to go for 1,000. Luckily, well, we'll get back to that, but I need to go for 1,000. And look, I'm fighting, I end up losing it, and then boom, I'm trying to make some money back at the end there. So I end up giving it all back because I'm trading way too long because I wasn't satisfied with the $500 win, and after looking back at it, well, wouldn't you rather be up 500 than down 500? Come on. So I'm going to tighten that up this next week. If my first hour of trading, whatever I win, I think that's what the day is going to be. If I win $100, may make $100, so be it. If I make 1,000, so be it. If I make 400, 500, so be it. That's it. Day's closed. I'm in the green. I need to show that. I need to do that a lot more better. So you can see my first hour today, awesome, awesome. And another thing that I noticed too is that, like for example, I traded Roblox, and Roblox in the morning. I think it was last week, week before. Um, it had news. It had news from the city of LA. The court system was suing them, and then the government, United States government, was trying to do something else where they're going to put something out there so they could help protect children from predators and it's like that, whatever it is. So there was two bad news. It was really, really bad news in the morning, and I thought I was going to go short on Roblox. I said, "Yeah, this company's done." So I formed a bias, a really strong bias that this is going to be a short for the day. And I've noticed that. I mean, even though sometimes you get good news and it goes the opposite direction, it's like, and then I noticed, and I kept watching Roblox even later that week, even this week. They've done really well. They went up significantly. Even all the bad news that was, I thought that would be crushing them. Nope, they've done really well. So reading the news, I get it. It's good. You understand certain things, but I think I just need to form my own decision on the day that I trade, because if I see that the stock is going in a different direction, I shouldn't be putting my mind towards this bias, because it hurts me. I noticed that. So to get back to where my performance is, so first thing, when the market opens, I'm good. I slay it, and then hanging on there because I want to make more money, and I end up going the opposite direction, and then I try to get something back at the end of the day. So that's what that is. So if I go to the win-loss days, like before we looked at, I got 4 winning days, 5 losing days. On the winning days, right here, this thing didn't work, did it? Let's see. No, it didn't work. Okay. So there's my winning days. There's my accuracy. I'm 59.5% accurate, and I'm 40% not accurate, I guess, whatever. And then on my losing days, same thing. 61% accurate and 38% not accurate. Which the numbers are still good. The numbers are still good. So it shows that I can be a profitable trader. But the problem is that sometimes that if I stay too long, that's when I start destroying myself, when I stay too long. My accuracies are still good. My percentage is still good. My accuracies are still good. Look at that. Let's go back to the dashboard to see my equity curves. Look at my equity curve. It's horrible. Look at that curve. It's horrible. That big loss got me. But look at it. I'm trying to fight my way back. Which is which I can do. So to go back to the part where for my wins and losses for the week, here is go. And this, just looking at this, tells you. It tells you. Look at that. Very few trades. Profitable. Trade all damn day. Negative. Very few trades. Profitable. Trade all damn day. Negative. Very few trades. Profitable. But it's not enough. Green is green. Good. But look at this. Fighting myself all day. Look at that. Coinbase got me good here. Got me real good on the Tuesday. And Coinbase got me again. Real good. I noticed that Bad news, it goes up. Good news, it goes down. I mean, I've been trying to figure out Coinbase for a while there, but yeah, it's crazy. So there it is. The less trades, the more money I make. The more trades, I'm just killing myself. So there's that right there. And so to finalize this whole thing here, there is my current equity. This is how much money I am working with right here. That's the money that I have in my account that I'm trying to build. So the Monday morning, this is what I start off with. But if you look back over here, this is the live account. Just want to make sure I reiterate that. This is the live account. That's how much money I'm working with. And underneath this is the SIM account. The SIM account, the numbers for my account numbers are hidden underneath the time and date box, but it shows the equity. And then it shows the buying power. So you can tell what ones I'm trading with, which is live, real money. And then the bottom one is the SIM account. So hopefully one day the SIM could look like this. I mean, the live can look like the SIM, right? And then, that'd be nice. So I'm working on it. But anyways, this is my full 4th week and monthly review. And just gonna try to see if we can do better. You know, I did say what I was gonna do. I did make $1,500 in for the week. I didn't quite get over the. Wasn't able to get green for the month, but still, I'm happy. I'm pleased with what I did for the week. But I saw the issues, and I know what I got to do. Because if you look at the chart, if you look at the calendar, 2 trades, 13 trades, 4 trades, 15 trades, 1 trade. The most trades are the ones I'm killing myself, right? So I know what I gotta do to work on it. So at 9:30 tomorrow morning, when I get up to go a trade, I am going to do my best to slay it that first hour, and then whatever money I make, I think that will be it. I think that'll be it for the day because I don't want to give it all back, and I need to show a little more consistency and stop fighting the loss if I'm red. I gotta stop fighting it. Think, I gotta make it all back, because it's hard. It's really hard. You don't want to leave the day in the red. You don't, and you're like, oh man. But I feel that I have enough experience that I know how to trade, and I need to just home into that, and I think I'll do better. So Monday morning, I'll be doing the 5-minute orb again, but I will have my 2 indicators, my 20 and my 200. So if I see anything moving in certain directions, I will probably take a few scalps while I'm waiting for the orb to form, and let's see how I do it. So anyways, thank you for your time, and we'll see you guys soon. Thank you.